Let's be real, most digital marketers are stuck doing things the slow way. You're manually researching leads, writing every single social post, and burning hours on tasks that AI can literally do in seconds. Doing things the old way isn't just slow, it's costing you money and opportunities. While you're buried in manual work, your competitors are automating, scaling, and grabbing leads while they sleep. It feels like they have some kind of secret weapon, right? Well, today I'm giving you that weapon. We're pulling back the curtain on 5 secret n8n AI workflows that the pros are using to put their digital marketing on autopilot. I'm going to show you how to automate everything from scoring leads to generating an entire content campaign. And the best part, I'm giving you all 5 of these workflow templates for free. So you can plug these exact systems into your business right away. We have got a lot to cover, so let's get into it. First up, let's build our sales intelligence department. Its only job is to kill the most boring task in all of marketing, lead research. You know the drill. A new lead comes in and you or your team wastes 20 minutes hopping between websites and social media just trying to figure out if they are a good fit. It's a terrible use of your skills and time. The fix is an automated engine. A lead fills out a form, instantly n8n fires up, finds their company information, their job title, and a second AI scores them based on your rules. This one workflow ensures your sales team only talks to the hottest leads. It will seriously boost your conversion rates. This is a beast of a workflow, and if you want the full step-by-step build, I have linked my deep dive video on it right here and in the description as well. Next up, we are automating the brainstorming. Every great campaign starts with a brief, but that usually starts with you staring at a blank page. Creative block is real and it costs you money. This system connects to your past campaigns, learns what subject lines and ads worked best, and then uses that context to generate a dozen new ideas for your new campaign, all delivered to a Google Doc. This is absolutely not about replacing creatives. Instead, it's about giving them superpowers. It makes sure every campaign is built on ideas backed by your own data. Again, the full build video for this one is linked up for you to go check out. For a lot of companies, social media feels like a black box. You're basically flying blind, and you only find out there's a problem after it's already blown up. This workflow fixes that. It's a 24/7 social listening bot. It scans platforms like X for your brand name, uses AI to instantly classify the sentiment as positive, negative, or neutral. And if the sentiment is negative, it immediately sends an alert to your phone. This lets you jump on it right away. It shifts you from putting out fires to spotting the smoke before it even starts. The full build is linked below. To win at marketing today, you have to be everywhere. But the amount of work to create content for a blog, Twitter, and TikTok is just too much for one person. That's where our fourth workflow comes in, and it's an absolute game changer. This system takes one idea and spins it into a blog post, a Twitter thread, and a video script. It sends it all to you for approval, and once you click yes, it posts everywhere automatically. This empowers a one-person marketing team to have the kind of massive, consistent presence that used to be impossible. You know the drill. Deep dive is in the description. Okay, so we have automated single tasks. But the real magic and our fifth and most powerful secret is getting a whole team of specialized AI agents to work together. This is your AI orchestra. Agent 1 scrapes a competitor's site, Agent 2 summarizes the raw text, and Agent 3, the strategist, takes that summary and writes a full report on their marketing, their target audience, and their biggest weaknesses. This multi-agent system gives you a level of automated insight that most marketing teams won't have for years. Full build is linked. And there you have it. Not just 5 tools, but 5 departments of your own AI marketing agency working for you 24/7. This is about building an intelligent system so you can finally focus on big picture strategy and growth. As promised, I've bundled up all 5 of these powerful workflow templates for you. They are inside my AI Advantage Kit for SMBs. The link is right at the top of the description. It's completely free to download and import into n8n so you can get started today. If this video helped you out, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm always dropping videos like this, breaking down the exact systems the pros use. Stop doing marketing the hard way. The tools are here. It's time to start building. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.